In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the perspective of anything in Photoshop using the Perspective Warp tool. This is a powerful technique that allows you to manipulate and adjust the viewpoint of images with precision and ease, giving you complete control over the perspective just like a pro designer. So let's dive right in and transform the way you see your images. First, you'll want to start by adding your image to Photoshop. Ensure that the image is open in your workspace and ready for editing. If you're not sure how to do this, just head over to the File menu, click on Open, and select your image file. This sets the stage for a smooth workflow, eliminating any unnecessary roadblocks later on. Once your image is ready, navigate to the Edit menu at the top of your screen, then click on Perspective Warp. This tool is one of Photoshop's dynamic features that enables you to define and tweak the perspective grid, allowing you to alter the way objects within your image are perceived in terms of depth and distance. To begin creating your new perspective, make a line along the edges of the object or area within the image that you want to adjust. This establishes a grid that Photoshop will use to anchor your perspective adjustments. Ensuring that these lines accurately follow the edges is crucial for maintaining realism and achieving a seamless look. Next, you'll want to create a four-line perspective. This involves drawing additional lines to form a box around the section you're working on. By doing so, you define a clear frame for Perspective Warp to work effectively. Take your time with this step, align the lines to the natural angles present within the image for the best results. After setting your lines, click on the Warp button located at the top of the screen. This action activates the warp grid, allowing you more flexibility to drag and adjust the perspective lines to your preference. Notice how you can lift, stretch, and shift the image's orientation, providing a stunning level of control over its perspective. Finally, adjust the point edges to refine your changes. This is where you can make finer adjustments, ensuring that the image appears natural and the perspective aligns seamlessly with the rest of the composition. Don't be afraid to zoom in and out as needed to get a detailed view of how each part of the image relates to the grid. With these steps, you now have the skills to alter and enhance image perspectives in Photoshop with confidence. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different images and perspectives. Whether it's for correcting lens distortion or creating imaginative perspectives, you've got a powerful tool at your fingertips. Thanks for following along, and happy editing.